I currently have a Pentair IntelliChlor salt cell on my pool. The previous cell was the same, but I inadvertently ruined it by adding dry acid to the pool to lower the pH. Expensive lesson learned. Is it okay to add a floater with chlorine tablets without harming the salt cell?
Yeah, I do know. I mean, there's actually pool professionals who what they'll do is they'll put in a salt system, then they'll either throw in an offline feeder or put a floater in the pool with tablets. And the reason why they'll do that is one, to add stabilizer, and two, to keep the pH in check, because when you're running electrolysis through the salt system, your pH is typically going to run high, where if you don't keep an eye on it, you can easily shoot over an 8.0. But those tablets run a pH of around 3, so that fights the higher pH, and you're getting chlorine at the same time. So it's just a matter of not overdoing it. Just don't hook it up right next to it. If you're going to use a floater, perfect. If you're going to use an offline feeder, just have it feed after the salt system.